Welcome to our guide on setting up opening hours for your merchant. We'll walk you through the process of configuring your schedule on the Tap and Go platform, ensuring your customers know when you're open for business. To begin, please proceed to your dashboard and once there, locate and click on the Opening Hours option within the Settings tab to access the Opening Hours section. Next, you'll see options to set your merchant status as open or closed for each day. Simply click the button below Closed/Open to make your selection for the desired days. After selecting the status, enter your opening time by clicking on the Opening Time box. This allows you to specify the timings when customers can begin placing orders. Similarly, to set your closing time, click on the Closing Time box. This enables you to set specific times during which customers cannot place orders. Once you've entered both opening and closing times, it's crucial to save your changes. Click on Update Opening Hours to finalize and apply your opening hours settings. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your business hours on the Tap and Go platform,